Claude AI versus GLM 5.2 versus DeepSeek version 4. Which AI model should you choose? Now, the AI model landscape in 2026 is genuinely competitive in a way that it was not 2 years ago. Claude, GLN, and DeepSeek version 4 represent meaningfully different approaches to AI model development. Different training philosophies, different architectural choices, different strengths and weaknesses, and the right choice among them depends substantially on what you're actually using the model for. Now, this comparison evaluates all three on the tasks that matter most for their primary user bases: reasoning and analysis, coding, creative writing, multilingual capability, and cost and access considerations. Now, the goal is pretty clear: recommendation for each use case rather than a wig. They're all good in different ways, type of way. Now, first of all, we have Claude, which is Anthropic's latest model with Sonnet and Opus. Is pretty much designed with a strong emphasis on safety, nuanced reasoning, and high quality writing. Claude basically tends to, you could say, excel on tasks requiring careful reasoning with multiple competing considerations, producing writing that sounds genuinely thoughtful and human, and following complex instructions precisely. Now, Anthropic positions Claude as particularly suitable for professional and enterprise contexts, where reliability and reasoning quality actually matters. Now, GLM 5.2 is the latest model from Jipu AI developed at Tsinghua University. GLM, which is also known as General Language Model, has a strong research lineage and significant investment in Chinese language capability alongside English. GLM 5.2 has made particular advances in long context understandings and code generation, and it actually represents the most competitive open weight model in the frontier tier for tasks where Chinese to English multilingual capability is quite relevant. Now, DeepSeek v4 is the latest model from the Chinese AI lab DeepSeek, which produced significant attention with earlier models that achieved competitive performance with frontier models at substantially lower computational costs. Now, DeepSeek version 4 maintains the efficiency focused approach and has particularly strong performance on mathematical reasoning, coding tasks, and structured problem solving. Now, on complex reasoning tasks, analyzing situations with multiple competing factors, evaluating arguments, working through decisions with uncertain trade offs, Claude's Opus model that you can find right here is going to take the cream on this. Now, Opus model consistently produces the most nuanced and balanced analysis. Its responses are acknowledged complexity, identify assumptions, and produce structured reasoning that is more careful than the alternatives on genuinely hard problems. Now, DeepSeek V4 performs pretty well on structured reasoning tasks with clear logical structure, mathematical proofs, logical puzzles, sequential problem solving. Its performance degrades more on tasks where the right answers requires acknowledging genuine ambiguity or holding multiple valid perspectives simultaneously. Now, GLM 5.2 is competitive on reasoning but shows particular strength when the reasoning task involves Chinese language context or cross-lingual analysis. It understands Chinese cultural and regulatory context in a way that Claude and DeepSeek are going to handle less reliably. So, recommendation for reasoning and analysis: Claude Opus is much better for complex, nuanced English and DeepSeek V4 is much more structured for mathematical and logical reasoning, and GLM is for tasks requiring Chinese English cross-lingual context. Now, in terms of coding, all three models are capable code generators, but with different profiles. Now, Claude is, you could say, the most reliable code that actually integrates, the proper section of a coding database. It asks clarifying questions before generating, produces clean code with good documentation, and handles the context of code how it fits. For developers who want an AI coding assistant that works thoughtfully rather than just generating code quickly, Claude's approach is pretty appropriate. Now, DeepSeek V4 is the fastest and often most concise code generator for common algorithms and standard programming tasks. Its benchmark performance on competitive programming tasks is the strongest of the three models. Now, for task oriented code generation where you know what you want and want it quickly, DeepSeek's efficiency is an advantage. Now, GLM has strong code generation with particular strength on tasks involving Chinese technology stack conventions, frameworks, and patterns more common in Chinese tech companies. And for code that needs to be documented for Chinese, you have incredible workings. Now, recommendations for coding. DeepSeek is amazing for speed and competitive programming style tasks. Claude is good for thoughtful code integration and when reasoning about architecture matters. And finally, GLM is for Chinese context technical work. Now, Claude is the clear winner when it comes to writing quality in English. The writing it produces has a stylistic variety. Genuine character voices there, nuanced proses, and the kind of careful attention to language that distinguishes good writing from technically correct writing. And for any English language creative output where quality matters, marketing copy, fiction, essays, speeches, Claude consistently outperforms the alternatives. Now, GLM 5.2 produces the best creative writing in Chinese and is competitive for bilingual creative content. DeepSeek V4's creative writing is competent, but noticeably more mechanical in style compared to Claude. So, definitely would recommend Claude for English language creative work. Now, when it comes to the cost and access, DeepSeek V4 is the most cost efficient at the pricing level. Its throughput per dollar is significantly higher than Claude Opus. For high volume applications where cost per token is a meaningful consideration, DeepSeek's pricing is an absolute advantage. Now, Claude's pricing scale with capability tier is kind of, like your ChatGPT. Haiku is for fast, inexpensive use. Sonnet is for a more balanced, capability. And then finally, you have Opus. That is the most professional case. Okay. Then moving on, you have GLM 5.2, which is competitively best at pricing with open weight versions available. So that's the main review and comparison between these three incredible platforms. So do let me know which one you decide for yourself, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.